And now we'll create a basic HTML5 structure for our web page. So the first line in an HTML5 document should be doc type HTML. So we have to type less than exclamation doc type and then type HTML over here. So this tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document, and everything you write inside an HTML should be inside the HTML tag. It is also a container tag, so we'll just type HTML and we have this closing tag over here. And then we have two sections inside HTML. One is the head section and the other is the body section. So we will type head over here. It is also a container tag. And then we have a body section, so we'll type body over here. And whatever we type inside the body section will be displayed over here on our browser. And this head section is for the metadata. So for example, if you type title, which is the tag used to display some text on this browser tab. So here if you type learning HTML, and if I save this and if I refresh my page, notice this html.index text over here, and if I refresh, we can see it changes to learning HTML. So in this way you can change the title of your website. We have a lot of tags which you can use inside the head section. We'll just add one more tag which is called meta, and in our tags we can also have attributes. So we'll set an attribute to this meta tag. The attribute is called char set, and we'll set it to UTF-8, and this is a self-closing tag, so you can just close it right here. Now whatever you type inside the body section will be displayed on your browser. So we'll just type a heading over here, so h1, and we will type introduction. So if you refresh our page, we can see this heading, and whatever you write inside the head section will not be displayed over here. It is just the meta information, and whatever you type inside the body section will be displayed on our page. Now in VS Code we have the option of writing this whole HTML5 structure quickly. So if you just delete this, and if you press exclamation and press tab, we can see we have this whole HTML5 structure. So whenever you start with a new HTML file, you can use this shortcut exclamation and tab. So let's just change this title back to learning HTML. Now there's one more thing you can do with VS Code. So if you type something over here, every time we make some changes to our HTML file, we have to refresh our browser. So if you refresh, we can see our changes are displayed on the browser. But if you want to automate this task, you have an extension in VS Code. So just click on this extensions icon over here and search for live server, and you can find this extension from Ritvik Day. Just go ahead and install this live server extension, and then what you can do is right click on your HTML document and click on open with live server. And here we can see our file is opened over here. Now whenever we go over here and make some changes, for example we will add a paragraph, and when we save our changes in VS Code, the browser will be automatically refreshed. So this can save you a lot of time.